Some of the people, they want to see you suffer every time your business is falling apart, your marriage is failed, so that they can be excited. But it goes opposite. When you want to see someone suffer, you are the one who is going to suffer more than that person. So be careful. You want to see someone to be fail in life, and you are the one who is going to fail, or your business is going to fall apart. So be careful, guys. When you are saying something to other people, you are wishing bad things to that person, and that person, what they done wrong to you, you want to see them suffer. And now it goes opposite, guys. You are going to suffer more than those things you are thinking other people they are going to suffer. You are going to suffer twice now. So sometimes be careful. Don't wish bad to someone. You are wishing someone bad things to failing or everything, and you are the one who is going to fail. Maybe you are wishing your kids not to be married, to fail in school, and your kids are going to fail at school, and you are those kids, they are not going to be married because you are wishing someone's child not to get married, and now your kids are not getting married. So sometimes be careful, guys, when you are wishing someone bad things.